This
and security
conference will
of.
now be recorded.
Okay, so these are the major topics like supervisory organization, staffing, security, compensation, business process, reports, calculate fields, EIBs, and core connect. These are the major topics that we are going to learn. Okay, now, so why I'm repeating is that because some people may join today. Now, guys, we will provide you the tenant. Okay, so how do you access the tenant? And so who are willing to access the tenant, kindly provide your names. Okay, so that we will try to give the timelines where at the point of time only you should access. Okay, so regarding that, speak to Mr. Sam. Okay, so when they provide the tenant, guys, remember that when they give the access, when they give the tenant. Okay, so type remote desktop connection. Go to this Windows, go to the menu. Okay, start and type remote desktop connection. Try to give like this, guys. Okay, now they will give you, okay, the details. Okay, so see, guys, I'm using from the long time, so that's the reason I will have a lot of things. No, see, guys, so they will give this details. Okay, we need to enter all these details properly. Username they will give. Guys, give me a second. I'm receiving a call. Guys, you can see this remote desktop connection. Yes, you can see it, right?
Yes, Pawan.
So you try to get the username and password, guys. Okay, try to provide the username and where, okay, you'll get the, you need to enter the password also properly. Okay, user. Okay, first you need to enter these details. Okay. These passwords will be a bit complicated. Make sure that you enter the proper password. Yes. Right. Okay. 79. User information. Yes, try to be good. Guys, this is a recording. Try to be good. Otherwise, I will remove them immediately. Okay, no doubt in that. Guys, let me copy this, type here and copy the password. But guys, don't worry, the passwords keep on changing. So that's the reason, no need to worry about this. Okay. See, they will try to give the username to you. First of all, you need to provide these details. Okay. Is there retake? USC at the rate 2E yes 8 7 correct. Okay, let me change the password, guys. Give me a second. You see here. These passwords are a bit complicated, don't worry. TI 7. MNC. Okay, so after logging these, okay, you will have a Chrome here. You can see a Chrome, right, guys? Okay, just click on that. So, guys, after coming here, can you see here there is something called Robo form here? Can you see here? You can see the screen, right, every one of you? Yes?
Yes,
Click on
boss.
this. Click on this Robo form, and you'll have this master password for Robo form. Okay. So we need to give this password again. గైస్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఇస్ దట్ చాలా మంది మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ సర్లే మా ఫ్రెండ్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతాడని కానీ అలాంటి షేరింగ్స్ మాత్రం చేయొద్దు. మీకు టెనెంట్ ఉండదు అంతే, ఏమీ లేదు, సింపుల్ గా మళ్ళీ మేము టెనెంట్ ఇవ్వమే. See, automatically we pass automatically the password will get loaded. Don't do anything until unless wait for 1 minute. Okay, clear on this how to get connected, every one of you? Yes, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
boss.
so first we have to go with the remote desktop connection. So we need to provide the username and password. Then after that there will be roboform where you need to give the master password. Then automatically all the things will come. You're not going to do anything. Okay, guys, clear on this? Yes. Now, so the first today we will try to learn about how to look up the interface, guys. Now, see, I told you that there will be different type of the tenants, like implementation tenant, okay, sandbox tenant, and the production tenant. Okay, now, so in the implementation tenant where we try to like make some changes, so we will try to uh, make the changes. Okay, see here, guys, there is something called implementation. Can you see here, guys, everyone? IMPL. So IMPL stands for the implementation tenant. Okay, IMPL stands for implementation tenant. Clear on this? IMPL stands for what? Implementation tenant. Okay, now, so we are trying to do some developments either in the sandbox or the implementation tenants. Okay, now, so this is the interface where we are going to do our practice. Look here, guys. So on the right corner, we can see the profile, okay, and we can see like task, and we can see like notification. Okay, so my profile is something like, okay, so it shows all the information related to your work. Okay, see, like whether you're senior manager or anything, and we can see the email and the team that is related to you. Okay, the team that is related to you. So here we can see the summary. Okay, we can see the personal information, we can see the job. Okay, the summary is something that it shows, okay, the entire information, that is nothing but the employee ID, the location, and who is the manager. Okay, who is your manager, the employee ID and the location of your, okay, the primary location. Now, so when it comes to the job details, guys, this is supervisor, nothing but your manager. Who is your manager? Supervisor, super, nothing but. Okay, now the job and the business title. Okay, the business title. So job profile, job family, so employee type, okay, manager level, so time type. Okay, so time type in the sense either it can be full time or it can be a contract. Okay, the location and the work shift. See, for a full, most of the time shift it means depends upon the location, your shift will get varied. So the hire date means when you get hired. The original hire date is when you got originally hired. Okay, now see, continuous service dates, I think someone got changed this. Okay, time in position, when you are in this position. Okay, when you are in this, how long you are in this time in job profile. Okay, we will discuss more on the job profiles later negotiations. Now, contact information, okay, means public in a sense everyone can view these public means. Okay, guys. Okay, now the work address, the skills that are required, so nothing but the job profile. Okay, now, so this is nothing but the personal information. So names, okay, legal name, the preferred name, okay, and all these things you can change here. The additional data. So what is the additional data? Okay, so you can add the spouse name, the address types, and we can give this information. Now the IDs that are related to you, okay, the employee ID or some other IDs we can add it. So what is the leave balance? Okay, now the personal information. Okay, guys, the personal information you can check here. The vacations, how many vacations you are having. So what are the documents that you can upload here? Okay, you can add that. See, guys, one small thing you have to remember here is that you may have access to view all the tabs, but not everyone will have access to view all the tabs because of the security. Clear on this, everyone? Yes?
Yes, Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, everyone
Yes,
should
Pawan.
acknowledge. Okay, yes, sir. Because see, guys, it's not any class. It's like a interactive session so that you will learn. Okay, if any doubt, you can raise your voice anytime. Okay, now, so job. So you can see job is very important. So recently, okay, we can see what are all the things that happened to this profile. Okay, we can see all in the job history. Okay, if you are working for, see, in most of the Workday, okay, clients, okay, in most of the like companies, okay, most of the companies, you'll be having level 1, level 2, and level 3. That's called L1, L2, and L3. Okay, now, so L3 is nothing but where we do major of the enhancements. Okay, we work on the major of the enhancement changes in Workday. So L3 is nothing but who is a person. Okay, okay, L2 is a person, okay, who works only on like minor changes, but L3 is major. So either L2 or L3 plan to go for L2 or L3 support case, not for L1. Okay, depends upon the company, the level and the type of work will get varied. Okay, now, so the job is something where you can see the worker history, what had happened. So what changes went on this person, okay, on this person profile. So worker history will provide you what are the changes that went on with this worker. Clear on this, everyone? Yes, clear on this? What changes that went on this profile? Okay, now Job history. Okay, so we can see the job history. What are the changes that happen to this job? But majorly is that worker history is very important where it can provide a lot of information. Okay. Now job details. Okay. The supervisory organization job, business title, job profile, manager, job family, employee type. So manager work shift. Okay, all these things will come again. So the organizations, okay, who are the organizations that you are going to support? Okay, or the supervisory organizations that are going to be. Okay, but it's taking time. It will take time, guys, because this is the only tenant that is available in the market as of now. See, guys. Okay, guys. Uh, See, we can see all the organization history. Now, all jobs. What are the jobs? Okay, okay. Professional profile. Now, worker security. Worker security means what is the security that is that the user is having. Okay, that the user is having. We can see all this. See, Workday own security groups, job-based security groups, interaction security groups, and aggregation security groups. So there are different type of the securities that are there here. Okay, Workday own security groups, job-based security groups, interaction security groups, aggregation security groups. Okay, so reported time. What time he reports? Okay, pay. So see guys, depends upon the company. Okay, the pay slips will be displayed because most of the time, okay, companies will go with the third parties. Okay, most of the time the companies will go with the third parties. Okay, they will not exist here. Most depends upon the country to country or the company to company. Even the companies may use only for US, UK. Okay, but they will be using third party tools. Okay, results and the payslip delivery. Okay, pay group to which pay groups. Okay, input the tax document, what the tax going to report to time at what time, the loan balance. Now all these things come here. The compensation part. Okay, what is the company like pay change history, estimated annual compensation, all these things will come here. Now overview. Okay, so what in the sense like see, I think sometimes the timeline means what are the changes that went on in the timeline. Okay, see here there are some times where it happened like the compensation change, the bonus one-time payment that happened here, and also we can see here the anniversary and birthdays. You can see here. Okay, now the additional data we can see here. Okay, now so additional data is then the see sometimes the dependents names, the background, the all these things we'll get that thing, but the additional data. So the compensation we can see here. What is the compensation that went on? Okay, now the worker history we can see here. The worker history, the content. Okay. Oh. We can see like the work contact information and also like home contact information. So most of the time these things a worker will have access to make changes to this. Okay, worker will have access to make changes to this. Now emergency contact, so the support roles, the performance, who is going to perform what, like create goal, performance reviews. Okay, development plans, competencies. Okay, the worker history, all these things, nothing but the performance. Okay, now so you can see the career. What is the career that is that the user like wait, it's trying to get loading. Give me a second. So worker security, see already that is there, but again, now my job application, talent statements, job interest, employee tenant analysis, career interest, more all the things. If you click here, you'll find a lot of things. Okay, learning, competencies, interests. So these are all the like the talent cards or the performances, all these things we can see here in the career information. Okay, now academic. So academic means worker business. We can see the absence. Okay, worker business assets, absence balance, absence request, the leave balance. So all these things here we can see the feedback. So what is the feedback that the user received? Okay, that the user received. What is the feedback and the feedback requested means from whom you are requesting the feedback. Feedback is something. Okay, when it comes to the talent or the performance. Okay, there will be different type of feedbacks. Okay, Sometimes you may provide feedback to the user, or sometimes you may receive the feedback from the manager. Sometimes you may receive feedback from the different managers. So there will be different type of four types of feedbacks will be there. But we can look here what is the feedback that you are given, received or requested. Okay, now so these are all the okay summary or the things that you can see when you go for your profile. Clear on this, guys? We go for your profile, you can see here. Okay, and there is something called, you can see here guys, email. So if you click on the email, so this email and this email will be the same. No need, okay, we can see here, click here. Oh, it's showing email address only, sorry for that. Sometimes see, but most of the times it will have some access to do, but no, it's not here. See guys, now the team is nothing but for which team you are going to report. If you click on this, okay, you'll get here the org chat. This is nothing but this is your organization, guys, the org chat. Okay, we can see here to whom you are reporting, and now after that, on top of that, who is the manager, who is available. So all these things we can see here. Okay, nothing but the org chat. Now if you want to return to the home page, click on the back Workday. So that is one of the added advantages in Workday is nothing but very user friendly. You can simply learn and access to it. Okay. Now, see guys, this is nothing but your profile. If you go to the home, if you click on home, again you will be returned back to the home page. See here. Okay. Now guys, one more thing. So my account, okay, you can see change password, change preference, change public profile. Don't make all these things, any changes to this. Okay. See guys, we are working on this tenant now, not to try to make any changes because it may impact the entire system. Okay, don't try to make any changes to this. Just I'm explaining it to you guys. One more thing, if you want to make it as a favorite, you can make this favorite. Drive is something. Okay, so you can make like a Google Drive where you can save the things. Okay. For example, there will be some report, some information. So where you want to save all these things, you can save here, guys. You can keep here. My files, favorites, everything you can keep here. Okay. Now, so documentation is something if you want to document. Okay, you can see what are the documents that are there. Workday. So this is related to the Workday documents, guys. Okay. So if you want to learn something new, so you can see lot of documents that are available. Okay. I think we will not have access to these because we need to have the developer license. Okay, we need to have the developer license. Okay, so we can see a lot of things about Workday documentation. Okay, nothing but the documents, all the documents that are related. If you want to learn something, guys, one more thing. So if you want to learn something, guys, you can learn from here. Payroll for see, I told right. Payroll for US, payroll for Canada, payroll for UK. You can learn education. You can click here. You can click here. You can open the documents. So these provide, anyhow, you don't have access to this. Don't worry, you will not have access to all these things. Okay. Now the help is something if you want to help, if you want to get help. Okay. So on Workday or anything, you can see here. Okay. Now, so recovery assistant, guys, recovery assistant is quite different. No need to just know that, but don't do anything as of now. So this is nothing but your profile. Now there is something called my task. Can you see here, guys? Inbox or my task? Okay. This is sometimes depends upon this. Okay, the watermark, my task, or we call it as inbox. Guys, can you see here? There's something called notification and inbox. Okay, guys, can you see this notification system? Can you see here, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
And
Yes,
there's
yes.
something called task. So, guys, you will be receiving some items, okay, on my task, okay, or inbox. In that scenario, where in my task, in the sense, if you are using something in your my task or inbox, nothing but where you are authorized to perform some actions. Okay, where you can perform some actions when you're receiving something to your inbox. Okay, guys, what is the difference between the notification and inbox? Can you see there is something called notification and there is something called inbox or my task? We can, okay, now guys, listen that. So if you are doing something like my task, okay, then definitely you may have something to see, guys. If you go here, can you see there is some button enabled here? Can you see? Or if you click here, okay, okay, background check. Guys, can you see there is some button enabled here? Yes, yes, down. Can you see here? Nothing but if you are receiving anything in your inbox, nothing but where you're authorized to do some actions. Okay, so where you are authorized to make some actions. Clear on this? Now, so there is something called inbox. Inbox is nothing but, okay, guys, can you see? Is there anything available down? Can you see any actions? Any buttons
No.
available to do some actions? No. So if you're receiving something in notification means notifications are something that will notify you, okay, something has performed, some action has done, but you're not going to perform any action. So what is the different major difference between the inbox and a notification? Notification is something that will notify you, where inbox where you're going to perform some actions when you receive something to your inbox. Okay, try to understand the difference. Sometimes they may ask you in the interviews. Okay, now see guys, when you click on the inbox or my task, okay, look here, guys, see, if you want to submit this, you can click on okay, and if you want to delete this, okay, click on this. Okay, related action, you have actions to cancel and view details. See, everyone will not have action or permission or the security to delete the inbox items. Only few members will have that, and you're not authorized to perform all these actions. You can mark them as a okay, favorite, and if you click on this, guys, it means, can you see, you can make them as a full screen, and if you click here, okay, view details, we can see this. Okay, see, you can see the information here, or you can go to the worker history or the job history where we can see what or who performed this action. Okay, we will see it later, guys. We will see more information when we perform some actions on the business process. We'll see that more information later. But look here, see who performed, who acted on these events. We can see here. Okay, okay, we can see here task actions, and we can see who performed actions on this event. Clear on this, guys? Every one of you. Okay. Pages. So, so all these things we can look here, guys. Okay, okay. Task actions and everything, enter full screen. Clear on this, guys? What is the difference between the inbox and notification? Everyone clear on this? Everyone clear on
Yes.
this? Yes.
Yes, Pawan. Yes.
Okay, guys. Wantedly, I am repeating twice or thrice. Even if it is boring, also I will repeat thrice or four. 10 times I will repeat. I'll be keep on repeating things if they are important, so that if you listen to the recording, no need to again prepare for interview, guys. When you're listening to the recording, try to note down the points, try to remember what I am doing, trying to do. Listen to the recording twice or thrice. Whenever you get time, right, listen to the recordings. No need to practice also, you'll get a lot of information. Okay, clear on this? ఏదో సరదా కోసం అయితే నేర్చుకోవద్దండి. జాబ్ కావాలనుకుంటే మాత్రం రికార్డింగ్స్ కంపల్సరీ వినాలి. 3 or 4 times ఇన్ ఎ డే. రిపీట్ చేయండి. మీకు వచ్చేయాలి అంతేగా. కళ్ళు మూసుకున్నా సరే మీకు స్క్రీన్స్ కనపడిపోవాలి. ద వే యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఎ వే. ఓకే, క్లియర్ ఆన్ దట్ ఎవ్రీవన్? Now,
Yes, Pawan.
see, there's something called help. Okay, nothing but Workday assistant. We call it as sometimes Workday help. We call it Workday assistants. We can see. So, if you want to know about something, we can use this assistant. Workday assistant. Here, the same. Okay, this is nothing but the Workday assistant. Now, guys, one more good thing in Workday is that this search engine, guys. So, this search engine will help you a lot. You know, Google search. Yes or no? So here also this search will provide you the lot of information, or where you can search a lot of things. Clear on that, everyone? So for example, if you want to search anything, okay, in the name of Pavan, see these guys. Guys, there will be so many things with my name because I used to train so many batches previously. So you can find a lot of things with Pavan. So we can see. Okay, so these are the things that are related with my name. So if you want to search anything, okay, remember this, guys, at least the 4 characters. sorry, 4 letters. Okay, PAVA, at least 4 letters. Okay, so it will show all these things that are related with the PAVA. Okay, clear on this? Now column press enter, guys. So you can see all the information that is matching with the pawan. Okay, see this lot of things, yes or no? See, you can see here side on the left hand side, we can see what are things that are related with this, like the task and report, the staffing, the people, the organizations, the reporting, okay, the recruiting, the integrations, the security. So these are the, okay, in these categories you can find. So these are the information with pawan, what are things that you can get it. Okay, clear on this, guys? Wherever you are, if you want to come back to the home page, click on your, okay, home page, or click on your profile, automatically you will be redirected to your home page. Clear on this, everyone? Guys, Workday is very user friendly, you can lot of things. Okay, now this is your banner at the home, where you can change this information, guys. Okay, you are not supposed to make changes to these. Okay, there will be some team, they will be making changes to this. And now, guys, when it comes to the menu, okay, you can see when you click on menu, you can see shortcuts and the applications. So these are the applications where you're having access, like time tracking, career hub, birthdays, audit, talent, expenses, okay, marketing, learning, financial reports, compensation. So guys, all these applications where you are having access, not everyone will have access to these applications. Okay, only few members will have the, few members will have access to this. Now if you want to make changes to this application, okay, can you see here there is something called add apps? So click here. If you want to add any application, you can have here. Okay, now okay, you can add this. Okay, now look here, guys, everyone will not, all the apps will not be accessible, because due to the security concerns, or not authorized to make any changes to that. Means you can make changes for your convenience, but you are not have access to view all the applications. Now if you want to edit it, you can edit it. Guys, can you see, can you see there is option remove? Not all the apps, can you see here, all the apps are not having access to remove, okay, authorized to remove, because there will be some applications where they are defaulted by default. You'll be having that application, not all the applications. Okay, I'm reviewing it. Okay, look here, save changes. So now we can see here, guys. Okay, so if you want to add shortcuts, we can see here the shortcuts. Okay, so here also, if you want to add any applications to shortcuts, add shortcuts. Or if you want to edit that, shortcuts, edit. Okay, if you want to remove that, see, I'm going to remove lot of the shortcuts unnecessarily. Save changes. Okay, look here, guys. Now nothing is there in shortcuts. Can you see here? If I want to add shortcuts, okay, see here, guys. Now if I want to remove this, go to edit, remove the shortcuts. Okay, save changes. Clear on this, guys? Every one of you? Clear? Yes? Now,
Is correct.
so these are the, guys, these are also this. Okay, these are the things that will be provided in your organization. So these are nothing but the recruiting information or the job requisitions, or you can see these. Okay, so if you click on this, you can see what is the recruiting information. Okay, means for the recruiters will have these. Okay, my internal candidates, new referred candidates, and this is nothing but the dashboard. Everyone will have access to view. Only few members will have access to view. Okay, so if you want to personalize this, you can personalize this. You can see here, guys. Okay, now so click here, you can see all these things, what are the things that you can view. Okay, you can see this arrow. Okay, you can click and you can view this. So this is nothing but the, okay, this is the, this is the look and feel about the Workday, guys. Okay, clear on this, everyone? Yes? So now, guys, I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the look and feel about the workday. So we will try to share the tenant. Okay, and you are not going to anyone. Please confirm who are going to join the classes and at what time they are going to access. Not everyone is going to access at same point. Okay, don't access the tenant at the same point. Try to keep some timelines. Okay, clear on that? Yes, yes, guys.
Yes,
So
yes.
any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Any
Yeah.
doubts? No, any doubts? So if there is any changes in the tenant password, anything, I will try to drop an message in the group chat. Okay. So don't worry. So now, so tomorrow we will start with our topic called supervisory organizations. Our first topic called supervisory organizations. Okay. So tomorrow session will be up to 1 hour only. Don't worry. I don't want to keep the break in the first day itself. So that's the reason I'm going to conclude it for today. And any doubts up to now, guys? Anything? So in this week, I'll try to complete our first topic, supervisory organization, within 2 days. Okay. Thursday and Friday, I'm going to complete the supervisory organization, the first topic. So don't miss the classes on tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubts?
Okay, Pawan.
So, guys, please confirm. I think you are all there in the group, right? Every one of you. Yes.
Yes, Pawan.
Yes, Pawan.
So who are all not there in the group, try to bring me now after the session. So Sam will add it in the group. Okay, everyone in the group. So who are new to the session? Lakshmi, I think you are new, right?
Mm.
Lakshmi Narayan Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, right. So you can call me, okay? And so, guys, make sure that you're not going to share the tenant with anyone. So tomorrow, from tomorrow, I think you will get access to the tenant, and tomorrow uh, we'll have a first session on supervisory organizations. Important topic. Try to not to miss any of the sessions. Okay. So is that speed okay, or you want me to increase the speed?
No, sir, is it okay, Pawan?
Okay. Guys, if you're not able to understand any English, also let me know that. I will try to say in Telugu also. Okay, clear on that?
Yes, Pawan.
Okay, okay, right, guys. Okay, so see you on tomorrow the same time, 7 to 8:30. Okay, sorry, 7:30 to 8:30. Okay, see you. Bye. Sam, you can
Bye,
share the
Pawan.
recording with me.
30 to 8:30.
Okay, guys. Bye. Guys, take that and add it in the group. Okay, right, guys.